from Seoul, South Korea to Guangzhou, China. FDOB has built a cross-border integrated production system in line with the strict standards of the EU GMP. The R&D Center of Danding in South Korea adopts AI raw material analysis technology to conduct molecular-level screening of active ingredients in each batch. And the intelligent warehousing system ensures full traceability throughout the process. At the production base of Yuxinyan in China, the medical-grade air purification system is monitored dynamically 24 hours a day, and the filling accuracy is accurate to 0.2 ml, exceeding the requirements of ISO 22716 specification. The dual laboratory cross-validation mechanism through 32 digital quality inspections, including HPLC component analysis and skin bionic testing, ensures the efficacy and safety of each bottle of product. FDOB with a global scientific research perspective, creating reliable skin solutions.